What are you saying, guys? It's Kali back with another video. I've been busy recently, haven't posted much. I've been at work, learning to become an engineer, so I've been busy doing that. I want to make an announcement and a huge thank you to Kirbebike for now sponsoring me. They sent me this 72 volt kit at 3000 watt 20 amp hour, and also a huge shout out to Collective for sending me the C100V3 Pro frame. So yeah, I'm going to get into this build. This is a new battery mount kit from Kirbebike for the 72 volt 20 amp hour battery to mount to. As you can see, the battery slides in this way, slots onto here. It's fastened by one Jubilee clip and the two full cage bolts. I'm going to do a quick run through of the build so far. I wanted to get it ready to a point where it would basically be as if you bought a bike from a shop, took the wheels off and got it ready for an e-kit. So to start with, I've got some RockShox Judy forks. These are like a standard base set fork, but they're through axle, 110mm. As you can see, I've got the chrome decal kit to go with them, so it matches the frame. I've got some standard bars and stem at the minute, but I will be upgrading those soon. Well, Mafia Bike's No Limit seat with a chrome aftermarket seat clamp. I've also got this peg kit with these spacers that fit into where the bottom bracket should be, and then the peg is bolted either side with a thread going through here to clamp it together. This is the controller I have. It's a 60 amp controller, but it's a Bluetooth one. So the dongle is in here. I've used some harness tape to tape it up to keep it into the connector. And I've also divided some of my cables into sections using the harness tape just to tidy it up a little bit. And I've put the controller in this box. I'm going to drill some holes along the side for ventilation. I'm now going to fit the controller onto the frame. Right, now the controller's connected, I just use 2 zip ties to try and hide it underneath the frame a little bit. And it allows all the cables to run under here, ready for the connections to come up this side and connect underneath. So now that's done, I'm gonna put the screen and the throttle onto the bars and connect it all to the controller. These are the wheels. We've got a Mavic front wheel. It's a downhill wheel and it's got bladed spokes with the 29-inch Supermoto tyre. And then obviously we got the 3K MTX on the back, again with a Supermoto tyre, 2.4 wide. Right, so we got the back wheel on now. I'm just going to put the front wheel on after, but if you come over here, you can see I've got this torque arm on this side. I need to put the clip on it in a second. Then over this side, I've got a different kind of torque arm, which then allows me to have a bit more adjustment either side. Alright, so we've got most of the bike built now. We've obviously got the back wheel on and the front wheel. I think it's looking quite sick at the minute. I'm now going to fit this rear brake. It's the SRAM DB8 4-piston. And then it will be some cable management, a little bit of fine tuning, and then we should be ready to give it a test ride. Worst thing about all this is this fucking tool. Okay guys, so we got the rest of the build done now. Both supermoto tyres, controller and everything, all the cables, and then Kirbebike UK C1 display. Big shout out to Kirbebike for this kit and supporting through this build. Also Collective for supplying this V3 frame. Yes lads, so I'm just on the new build, about to go meet my boy. He's on his 72 volt, 3000 watt as well, and yeah, we're just gonna go tear it up. I'm gonna get a few clips before I link him. Got this new tune on the throttle, which is sick. Brake's rubbing a little bit unfortunately, but I think it's just because it's brand new, so I need to wear down the pads a little bit. I don't know where the hell I'm going. I think I've gone the wrong way. Oh. Yes people, we're back from the ride. It's a pretty successful first ride of the bike. It's feeling nice. I want to again say a big shout out to Kirbebike and Collective Bikes for hooking up the parts and the kit. Yeah, catch me in the next video. We're gonna do a POV video next, so I'll catch you soon. Peace.